Guys, today in this video gonna to show you fix Google Chrome black screen issue in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to fix Google Chrome black screen issues in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Open Chrome browser. After click on three dots. After click on settings. Scroll down. After click on advanced. Scroll down and here rest and clean up. So here option restore setting to this original default. So click this top and after click on reset setting. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix Google Chrome black screen issue in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.